Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.11, Problem 9. This is Section 2.11, Problem number 9. It says, combine 5 3/5 and 2 1/7. So the key word for this, to tell me what I need to do, is the word combine. That's saying that I need to add those two fractions together. So basically this problem says add 5 3/5 plus 2 1/7. And like many of the previous problems in this section, the problem can be done in this horizontal format, but I prefer the vertical format. I find it just a little bit easier to do, so I'll write it this way: 5 3/5 plus 2 1/7, like that. Now, in order to add my fractions, I need to make common denominators. I have denominators of 5 and 7, so a good common denominator is 35. So let's figure out what the numerators will have to be to change the denominators to 35. So 5 times some value became 35. The value must have been 7. 5 times 7 is 35. So the numerator would be multiplied times the same value, times 7. So 3 times 7. 3 times 7 is 21. Now for the other fraction, I started with a denominator of 7. It became a 35. I must have multiplied times 5. 7 times 5 is 35. So the numerator would also be multiplied times that value of 5. So I'd have 1 times 5. 1 times 5 is 5. Now the denominators match, so I can combine the numerators. So my answer will have the common denominator of 35. This is an addition. I'll add the numerator of 21 plus the numerator of 5. 21 plus 5 more is 26. Don't forget the whole numbers in front. I have to add 5 plus 2 more. 5 plus 2 more is 7. So that gives me a final answer of 7 and 26 over 35.